I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake decoration. First, gather your essential tools, including piping bags, various tips, and offset spatulas. Next, prepare your cake by ensuring it is level and applying a thin crumb coat to seal in any loose crumbs. This step is crucial for a smooth finish. Finally, select a frosting type that complements your cake and is suitable for your desired decorating technique, whether it's buttercream, ganache, or royal icing. These initial steps lay the foundation for a beautiful creation. Now, let's master your frosting application. To achieve a perfectly smooth finish, slightly warm your offset spatula before gliding it over the frosting. Utilizing a cake turntable will greatly assist in applying frosting evenly around the sides of your cake with consistent pressure. Before decorating your actual cake, take some time to practice basic piping techniques, such as simple borders or rosettes on a piece of parchment paper. This builds confidence and refines your skills. Ready to add some flair? Fondant is excellent for creating intricate shapes, cutouts, or even sculpted figures, offering a smooth, pliable medium for detailed work. For a touch of glamour, incorporate edible glitter or dust, applying it with a soft brush to specific areas or over the entire cake for a shimmering effect. Alternatively, for a more natural and elegant presentation, consider adding fresh, food-safe flowers or artfully arranged seasonal fruits. These elements can elevate your cake's aesthetics significantly. To ensure your hard work stays intact, chill your decorated cake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the frosting to firm up and set properly. Before presenting, take a moment to meticulously clean the cake board, removing any stray crumbs or smudges for a truly professional and polished appearance. Finally, display your beautiful creation on a cake stand. This elevates its presentation and makes it the undeniable centerpiece of any celebration. Enjoy your delicious masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.